Prepare yourself for Copper Gigabit Ethernet with TRENDnet's Cat6 RJ-45 UTP Patch Panels. These patch panels are certified for 250 MHz Category 6, which are perfect for Copper Gigabit Ethernet connections. TRENDnet's 24-port Cat6 patch panels are ideal for Ethernet, Fast Ethernet and Copper Gigabit Ethernet 1000 base T network applications. Using TRENDnet's Cat6 products now will prepare you for the high bandwidth network in the future without recabling your network. Meets ANSI, EIA, TIA 568B. 2:1 and ISO, IEC 11801 standards. New version 110 DIDC type terminal blocks, use 110 or Krone type tool. Color-coded labeling for T568A and T568B wiring schemes. 180 degrees angle type, horizontal. 1000 base T Copper Gigabit Ethernet ready. Compatible with Cat3, 4, 5, 5E, and 6 cabling. Works perfectly with TCP/DT punch-down tool. Operating temperature. -40 degrees to 80 degrees Celsius, -40 degrees to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. ULE 157358 listed. 1-year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Nice patch panel, perfect if you need or want to use the extra ports. It's a patch panel, not much to say other than it works great and fits perfectly. The punch-down posts are tight and I'm confident cables won't back out. Every port I punched down and tested seems to be transmitting perfectly. Overall it's a good purchase. Maybe a bit overkill for home use, but for the price, why not?